Mommy, in the eyes of God, we are one. This day, I promise that all things must be with you. With you, I will provide. With you, I will be safe in all travels, especially from home to work and vice versa. With you, I will solve office problems. With you, I will raise the kids healthy and God-fearing. With you, I will be patient all throughout. With you, I will be healthy and live as much as I can. With you, I learn to pray to be a good husband, a good father to our kids, and because of that prayer, it changed me. Now, with you becomes together. Together, we will provide in love and financially. Together, we will respect each other's differences. Together, we will build our dream house. Together, we will work out obstacles in life that we encounter. Together, we will pray and serve God. Now, from with you comes together, and now with Jesus. With Jesus, we can renounce Satan and bad habits. With Jesus, we can clearly pass any obstacles that we encounter. With Jesus, we can be healthy, wealthy in love and blessings for us to enjoy and share it to others. And finally, let me share this with you, Mommy. I know that lately, things happened unexpectedly. But as you all know, I always wanted God's blessings in our marriage. And you agreed without hesitation. We realized that we need not worry about the expenses and trust that God will provide. People change, may it be in good or bad. But I change the day I accept Jesus in my life. According to Galatians 2 verses 20, it is Christ who lives in me. I am crucified with Jesus, and it is no longer I who live, but it is Christ who lives in me. And the life which I now live in the flesh, I live in faith, the faith of Son of God who loves me and gave himself up to me. Another blessings came into us recently, Mommy. Ruth is now pregnant with our third baby. May it be a boy or girl, it doesn't matter. We are entrusted to have another life to be part of us. With you, together, and with Jesus, I believe all things are with ease and possible. Thank you.
Ay, pagkain na lang kami sir na.
Mm.
Ikaw mo lang sir, istorya mo lang short story yan. Paano kung nagkakilala nga? Pagka. Ikaw nga sir, nagkakilala kami ni sorry to. Padayon na.
Okay. Nagkakilala. Short story.
Sir, 3, 2, 1, go.
Actually, nagkakilala kami ni Ruth sa Sangguniang Panlalawigan about 2000, in the year 2017. Hiya nagtatrabaho hiya kan board member Bob Abellanosa at that time. Hiya ako liwat, nagtatrabaho ako kan Vice Governor Carlo P. Loreto at that time. Now, at first, kung pagkita talaga iya, may crush na talaga ako iya, no? At that time, long hair hiya, curly hair. So, from that moment, nagka-interest ako ay iya nga baga naghihimo akong way para makaustorya hiya. Yun. Tapos we started as a friends. At the same time, ako liwat nag-eskwela akong real estate management preparation for para maging municipal assessor ako. Tapos, at the moment nga nag-share ako sa iya kung anong kinabibisihan ko, na trabaho ako, tapos nag-study, no? Nagka-interest gyapon niyahan kurso real estate management. And then, up to mabutan panahon, nga nag-take kami yung board exam kami nga duha, ginaalalayan ko maniyahan review. By God's blessing, gihapon, kami nga duha, pumasar kami nga duha. Now, pakapasar namon, di na nagtikang namon swerte ang kinabuhi, kumbaga. Sunod-sunod ang blessing nga natabuha amon. Ginkasal kami ha civil, makuan lang iton nga da kay ang gastos and expenses namon na namon civil wedding is only 15,000 pesos. Tapos nag-unbag gyapon na akong doktora nga sister hin lechon, no. Itong 15,000 pesos consumable na iton hiya hadjos milagrina. So sugad kami nag-start ngan an amon actually wedding ring is pinalit lahayon ni silver worth 250 pesos. And actually sulot ko pa iton hiya na. And soon enough, katapos it amon wedding, mababalyon agad maninihin gold. Gold. Ano? So, yun. Tapos, actually, from the day I met her, di na talaga nagtikang swerte na akong kinabuhi. Nag-twist na akong kinabuhi. Di na talaga masisiring kong hiya ang swerte ang mabuta akong kinabuhi. Kaya from that day, nga naging kami until now, sunod-sunod talaga at blessings. Okay, yun lang.
Sunod sir ni pero katuig niyo nga nag-open. Ano din yung mga naruyagan ka mo?
Okay. Naruyagan ko kan Ruth is patience towards sa akon kay ko baga modi, mga modi nga type. Tapos aniya family. Her family is very accommodating, madaling pakisamahan. Tapos may times talaga nga nakakaintindi akon ngan mag-decide nga niya ako hinusa nga butang kung baga alanganin to nga nagde-decide ako na interrupt hiya tapos ginko correct niya. In which naman later on na i-realize ko gyapon nga tama hi Ruth. So yun ang naruyagan ko ay iya ngan nagkaanak manggod kami hin duha. So nagtibay namon relasyon until now, baga sugad.
Mabot ba sir ang time nga hadto nga uyang panahon nga ginpre mo yang iya imo maging asawa?
Yes.
Pwede sir istorya mo ito nga imo prayer.
Oo. Actually, I prayed for companionship for the rest of my life, no? Na who can handle my attitude and makakag-decide hindi amon life only the both of us. Ngan the moment na nakita ko si Ruth nga mas nakilala ko pa hiya, then I say to myself na asya na hiya talaga. It ako gusto maging partner for the rest of my life.
Sige, ma'am. Sige. Sige po. Last question na. Manila, sir. Thank you message before come. Pagkita, kuan, altar. Ano mo mga karoy, pasalamat ay.
Kan Ruth, ako nasaban.
Kunwari, sir,
Annex.
hindi mapito na ada kamera. Bagandi na kaya magdating.
Okay, sige.
Tapos unless, sir, kuan mo lang iyo, iyang aran or iyo, full sign, tapos I love you.
Okay.
Okay, ready, sir? 3, 2, 1, go.
Mami Ruth, thank you very much for coming into my life, for aray, kita. Naglo-loading ako kung ano tak baga gusto yakan. Kayo na nga. Nakita nga ni kayo mo, nangangatawa talaga ako. Mopay, didala kay kuan ka. Didala. 205, era ko Edmar. Oo, 205. Anay, makanay. Nagko-formulate pa ako tak kuna-huna. Ala 205 aturaan era Marsha.
Ay, tamang kinasyon niya.
Alas 11 ban hiantit nan makantuban. Simbahan ato di ko riton. Short ko na la para kuan ano. Right siya kuan. Di dalamon kay nagatawa ko. Di dala.
Karoon po, magtagis ka. Ipapakita ka rin magtagis ka. 3, 2, 1, go.
Mami Ruth, thank you for everything. Salamat han pagiging swerte akon kinabuhi. Now, na may da kita duha nga kids, at the same time magkakamay dapat tayo usa nga another blessing it aton kinabuhi, no. Thank you very much for adding colors to my life. Mami, thank you and I love you. Nato? Nato?